For many moons, nay the dawn of time, you've wondered the grand question: why can't this guy upload videos on a regular schedule, and why doesn't he respond to comments? No, seriously, what's the top speed on glassy smooth water of a tracker pump boat with the largest factory available outboard, a 50 HP, and what's the speed of a Sea-Doo Fishpro 170 alongside that puppy? And would the two gentlemen riding those machines be having a good time? To answer all your questions, the guy's been going through some shit and is also a little bit of a lazy turd. About 35 miles an hour, 57 miles an hour with or without a passenger, and yeah, what are you, silly? It's a rip-roaring good time. Sunscreen? You need any sunscreen? You know where you want to go? Yeah.
This is Lover's Cove.
Okay. Yeah.
Not like you think.
Okay. I wasn't thinking that.
What the fuck?
Yeah. Or P or something.
If I say, let's meet at Lover's Cove, this is where it is.
I actually had this spot marked in my GPS. It looks like there's fish in the water here. Nice. All the light blue stuff is something in the water, whether it's vegetation or... We can try casting here for a while.
That's right, I forgot you have a way to see what's in the water.
Yeah.
That's exciting.
Yeah, that was super fun following you over here. So editing this video, there's not a lot of fishing footage just because neither of us really knew what we were doing. This footage was from over a year and a half ago. So we're just kind of enjoying the breeze and nature, but you might see me diddling around with bobbers and sinkers and touching things that I don't really fully understand. I do have a little bit more of an understanding of the basics of fishing now, but in the meantime, I was just really enjoying the breeze on the nips. Real new to fishing, and you might be wondering, why'd you get a Fishpro? It had the features that I wanted, such as the GPS so I can map out where I'm going. A couple of the other models had that, but they also had other shit with them that I didn't want. I wanted to get into fishing, so what better vessel to do it than something that is so versatile? It can get into all these little tiny taut places like in the mangroves, but it's also capable in the ocean as well, where a lot of small boats like a pump boat or smaller boats really aren't. You can really just plow the waves with a Sea-Doo or jet ski, PWC. Sea-Doo is the only one that makes a fishing specific or centric one, to my knowledge. Yamaha and Saki or any of those don't make a fishing one. So I wanted to get into fishing, and it's also good to have the ice chest back there, which I haven't put any fishies in there or anything like that, but it sure as hell is hold some sandwiches, some brews, a couple of soda pops, and best of all, if I ever get one of those Sea-Doo Switch jet tri-tunes, pontoon, but it's technically a jet propulsion powered tri-tune. Those use the same IQ link system where you can use the accessories such as the ice chest, so I could take that off the back of the ski and pop that in the tune. Okay, back to the video. It's enough jaw jacking and lip smacking for one day. Drifting a little bit. that'd be awesome. Yeah, totally. Yeah, I'm all for that. What's that?
How fast?
So we got up to like 48 for a while.
So,
Yeah.
kilometers or miles per hour?
Miles per hour, but I'd give you some space and then I'd kind of like gun it to catch up to you. So I don't know, you're probably doing like 35, 40 or so. Yeah, okay.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. About 35, 37. Yeah. Pretty fast. Really? Alrighty, thank you very much for watching. There is more footage of the Grizzly Tracker pump boat and the Sea-Doo Fishpro. But in the meantime, make sure you subscribe because there are a ton of sweet videos in the pipe, especially if you're into PEVs, personal electric vehicles, things like one-wheels, electric scooters, or those stupid fast Sur-on e-bikes. And I got a new car, my new daily driver. First ever EV, got a Tesla Performance Y 2025. It's a real humdinger. Is your brother a singer? And it's got me singing, hitting the high notes off every stoplight. Taking delivery on Christmas Eve was not the smoothest process, and also I've ran into a couple of hiccups that getting this vehicle, but the car itself is wonderful. Please like and subscribe the video. You know what that does for you, you know what it does for me. Smiles across the board.